Hey guys, day 7 of our Chaos Risings Pack-A-Day Challenge. 1 pack every single day until I complete the Mouser set. We just hit 1 full week. The profit counter's still alive. Let's see what today brings. Today, we're going to be opening up 2 packs today, since we made a full week. We're just going to open up this one, and then we're going to pick this one right here. Alright. Let's see if the Greninja's in one of these ones. Code card. Magnetic energy. And a magnetic energy. All right, day 7 didn't bring too much luck. Let's hope for day 8. We'll see you in the next one.